Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Computer Science. Today, I'd like you to start working on Quiz 2 and hopefully finish it today or finish it tomorrow. If you're way behind, then you should just go ahead and pause the video now, go back and work on whatever you need to work on to get caught up because I'm going to help you a lot with the quiz, but you'll just forget about it by the time you're ready to take it. So no point in watching the video before you're ready for the quiz. Okay. That said, let's go ahead and start the quiz. Okay. So first, you're going to need the password access code, which is tomato. 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 Okay. And then, like always, this is an open book quiz, so you can and you should go back and look for the answer if you don't know what it is. Which of the following terms means storing a variable, storing a value in a variable? Well, it's probably not variable because we just used that. Operators are things like plus, minus, times, divide, or some of the special operators we had in computer science were like modular division or integer division. So they just give you the integer answer to a division problem, stuff like that. So none of those first three look good. That last one looks pretty good there. Okay, question 2. Consider the following code. X is 17, Y equals 5. Print X modular division by y. Okay, what is output? Well, this is like modular division or remainder division. Okay, so this is going to print out the remainder when x is divided by y. Well, x is 17, y is 5. Okay, 17 divided by 5. 5, 10, 15. That's 3. Okay, but hold on. 3 is not the answer because I want the remainder. Well, the remainder is 17 minus 15. 17 minus 15 is 2. So this one is looking pretty good. All right. Which variable name is the best to hold the area of a rectangle? Okay. Well, let's see. We got a number. That's not really good. A, which is not very descriptive. And then we got capitals or small letters. Boy, it's really hard to choose between those two. Why don't I go back to the modules? Okay, let's go back to the modules. Yeah, it's okay. You can come back to the quiz anytime before you submit it. Okay. Basic calculations. Well, it's not random numbers. Let's try basic calculations. Let's see what that does here. Okay, do we have variable? Okay, there's some information about variables. Okay, boy, I don't see a lot of capital letters in the variables they have so far. Okay, let's see, there's X and Y. Let's look at the slides here. Just keep on looking for information. Okay, this is about the operations. Rules for storing a value in a variable. Variables go to the left. Well, look, and that's another lowercase variable. Okay, and all right. Well, I don't have a definite answer, but boy, I think that the smaller case is looking good. Oh, how to get out here? I'll just have to navigate back, go back to the modules. Go back to the modules, go back into the quiz, resume it. Remember that access code, tomato. Oh, okay. Well, I didn't put any answers in yet. But this one is looking good. All right, what is output here? We got x is 2, y is 3. Print x times y plus 2. Okay, well, remember this is times, so 2 times 3 is 6 plus 2. I think you can find 6 plus 2 here. I won't do that calculation for you. How about number 5? Which of the following calculations would evaluate to 12? Well, it's basically just math we're doing here with PEMDAS. Okay, so let's see. This is 3 times 6 plus 2 in parentheses divided by 2. Well, first we do the 3 times 6 because multiplication goes before addition. That's 18. 18 plus 2. We do that next because we got to do what's in the parentheses. I mean, actually, we're starting with parentheses, right? PEMDAS, parentheses. And then in the parentheses, we got multiplication and division. So we do the multiplication first. 18 plus 2 is 20. Now we got 20 on the top of the fraction, or on the top as the numerator, or the thing that's going to be divided. And then we got divided by 2. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. But we want it to be 12, so it's not this one. Okay, let's see. Here we got 3 times 6 is 18. We do that first. It's in the parentheses. We have addition and division. We should do the division before the addition. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 18 plus 1 is 19. That's not 12 yet. Here, this one is basically the same thing as this one, because you do the multiplication first, then you do the division. 18 plus 1 is 19 again. So this answer in here is looking pretty good. Let's just check it real quick. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4, and then 3 times 4. Okay. Cool. What is output for the following? You got x equals 7. Print the number is string x times 2. Okay, the number is, well, x times 2 is going to be 14. String is going to put it into, make the value 14 a string, so you can put it in a sentence, which is what we want to do. So that's good. That's not going to make any error. So let's see, we also have a space here. So it looks like, yeah, the number is 14. It looks like everything is going to work there, and we'll get this last answer. Question 7, which of the following correctly stores 45 squared in the variable x? Correctly stores 45 squared in the variable x. Okay, we want 45 squared. Well, that's 45 raised to the power of 2. And if you remember, the way you do exponents with Python is to have a double asterisk. So this is x to the power of 2. X is 45, so x equals 45 to the power of 2, which is 45 squared. Okay. Consider the following code. X is 9, y is -3, z is 2. Print x plus y times z. Okay, let's see, x plus y is 6. No, sorry. Yeah, because y is -3. So 9 plus -3 is +6. And then 6 times 2. Okay, I think you can see 6 times 2 down here somewhere. Here we go with that modular division again. 3 modular division by 15. Okay, this is kind of a tricky one, so just be careful. Remember, this is not 15 being divided by 3. This is 3 being divided by 15. Okay, so what is the remainder? Well, 3 divided by 15 is 0, but then you have a remainder of what? Let's see, 0 times 15 is 0, so 3 minus 0 This one is looking pretty good here. And then last question. Consider the following. Calc equals something, 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 plus something. So 3 times 5, and then 4 raised to the second power minus 1. What is the base for the exponent? Well, here's where we have the exponent and base. Looks like the base is 4. Okay, I hope this helps. Remember to take your time on the quiz. Do your best. Try to get 100%. Thanks.